welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you all finally how I lay my edges. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep on watching. So today I'll be showing you guys how I lay my edges finally. I know I always get comments, people asking me what I do, and I've been saying for like a year now. I know that I'm going to show you guys, but today is the day. It's going down. So, oh no, my whole button's not in frame. Let me just show y'all what it's looking like right now. I probably haven't had my hair retwisted in about like 6 to 7 weeks. Low-key might be a little bit more, I'm not sure. But I've just been like letting my hair be free, giving it a break, because I lay my edges a lot and I feel like usually I try and like every few days or so, or at least 4 or 5, sometimes I go longer, I'm not even gonna lie to you all. But I try and wash it so that when I'm oiling my hair every day, it's actually getting on the hair and not just sitting on edge control. But I feel like I've been a little bit more lazy lately, I guess, because I felt like my hair was breaking off a little bit on my edges. So I really just, anyway, my whole point is when you're laying your edges with edge control, make sure you're washing your edges every few days so that when you're actually oiling your hair actually is benefiting, so that you don't have any breakage or anything like that. So I've just been giving my hair a break. Usually in between retwists, like for my edges at least, I'll wrap the hair around the lock, but I haven't even been doing that lately because I just don't want any extra tension. So if I have somewhere that I usually need to go, I'll wrap my hair in a head wrap or a scarf or something like that. So I'll just show you my process with that. Okay, so I usually start off with squirting my hair. I'm pretty generous with my edge control. Some of y'all might be like, damn girl, calm down, but it washes out easy and I don't care. I need my baby hairs to last all day. So I got this much. And then I'll really just wipe it all up on there. Edge control brush. And I follow my finger with my baby hairs because it makes it way smoother. I'm telling you, just trail the baby hair brush and just guide them. I kind of know that I like mine to lay like a flowy type of way, so I try and like just lay them in their little natural direction. Then hit the edges in the back. Then get your scarf. Put that on. Tie it. Secure the babies. Then I'll just put it back. Let it stay like this. Just let it hold it down. Hold it down. Leave it there. Don't take it right off. The longer you can go, the better. But at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I've allowed some time to pass. I made myself something to eat, did a few things around my apartment, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off. So this is what I normally would do. Even if I'm not gonna scarf it afterwards, if I had a fresh retwist and I was laying my baby hairs, I would still do this. So you can see my edges are like just flat. I'm gonna put a scarf on now. I have a head wrap video on my channel if you need to see like how I do this. I'm gonna just do a random wrap right now. I don't have anywhere to go. I'm just kicking it at home, so I'm literally just making this up. That's the cool part about head wraps. You just, you know, play around. Get your baby hair brush. And pull your edges out. And same thing, use your finger to guide the edges. This would be a little bit easier if I had a mirror, but I'm trying to just look into the camera to see what I'm doing. And I like to brush mine around here. But there you have it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and look out for my next video.